All right, people. So I have not started on the yard yet. Normally, I literally start on September 1st. It is so incredibly hot. It's just like sucks the motivation out of you. You know what I'm saying? So today, it's not horrible yet. It's Labor Day, so I'm off, which is nice, a bonus. I'm gonna pull some things out of the shed to figure out like what I'm gonna use, because I am doing a totally different setup this year. And someone said when I revealed the theme on my 2023 theme video that I just did, someone was like, all right, man, don't be skimping on the setup videos. So obviously, you haven't missed anything because I haven't set anything up yet. So I'm gonna get into the shed, and that's probably all I'll do today. Where's the sun at? There he is. So I've got this tree right here to block for now, and then once that gets over this tree up here, no way I'm gonna be out here. So, but we are actually, me and Ava are gonna go to another spirit store today. So, spirit number 4. I believe. I don't know if I've uploaded the third one. I will say my laptop screen broke yesterday, so I can't really do any good editing. So we'll see how that goes, if I can even get these uploaded. So, all right, let me get in there. Stop rambling. All right, so here's my Bucky skeletons. These are those heavy, articulated, like medical skeletons. These things are heavy as hell. They've got like the metal stuff and things. This guy's missing some. You're missing some pieces there, buddy. So ground breakers, and oh man, does this look intimidating. So I've got a lot of. Oh, there's his leg. Look, here we go. Look at that. Let's help this guy out. There you go, buddy. So we can make you feel whole again, except for that one. Maybe we can make that one a peg leg. I don't think I'm using my gravedigger this year. I don't think I'm gonna pull him out. Definitely using the tombstones, definitely using the columns for the little cemetery area. All the pumpkins for the trick or treat, obviously. And then I need to get to all these walls because I have a plan for the walls this year, possibly. It's a little more ambitious than what I really wanted to do this year. I really kind of wanted to go just straight up trick or treat, super simple, not even really do a cemetery. But I've had some people saying they're going to come this year to see the yard, and they were super excited about it. And unfortunately, I think he's going to kind of make me do more than what I was going to do. Damn you, Troy. You know, I don't know how it would get in here, but you know, I'm never surprised sometimes how these damn rodents can get into crazy small spaces. So I'm always afraid there's gonna be like some crazy raccoon or ginormous sewer rat that's gonna jump out, that's like made some nest, like, you know, in my cauldron here or something. But it smells good in here, and I don't think anything got in since last season, which is amazing, because I have had that before, and that is no fun. Right, pumpkin guy? That's right. All right, so got a little cleared out. Got some tombstones over there, cemetery, arch, and small columns over there. Don't know what I'm gonna do with over there. Probably not using any of that. Definitely not using this guy. But it's always exciting when I get to this tub that I totally did not label. I was actually doing really good last few years where I'd label so I know what's in here if I needed to get in here, like right here, camo net, which I actually need to grab that because another haunter asked if they could borrow the camo netting, so I actually need to contact them because I was going to use it. Now I don't think I'm using it. So let's see what's in here. I'm guessing pumpkins because I did that big pumpkin wall, and they take up a lot of space. I think that other one tub back there is probably full of pumpkins, and probably this one down here is full of pumpkins. So let's see. Yep, look at that. Pumpkins. Whatever that is. Oh, spiderweb. And a little bit of fencing. All right, cool. Pumpkins. All right, so I actually labeled this one Headless Horseman and camo. Sold my Headless Horseman. I know, it's crazy, but again, I had no room, so it's probably just camo. Yep. Hey, look, a Steve's Haunted Yard sticker. Yeah, it should be just camo. Yep. Oh, there's a tiny pumpkin in there. But all right. So this is just camo, and then that's camo. I could probably fit that camo in here because my Headless Horseman used to be in here. Camo, put it in this box. All right, people. This will be the end of the update. Not a big update, just pulling some stuff out of the shed. Definitely made a little bit of room in there. My goal is to get to these walls because this is going to be like the biggest part of what I'm going to be doing. Got a bunch of the tombstones out over here. It's fun to see you guys. I missed you. Missed you guys very much. And then over here is kind of like my outer cemetery area. So I got one wall out, the small columns here, the arch, which almost needs like a repair. I'm just not feeling doing any repairs. I think I'm going to get this last large column out, and then I told Ava we would go to Spirit today, which is fine because as you can see the sun's already starting to hit those guys over there. He's now at the top of the tree somewhere over here. There's a cloud over there, which is amazing, actually. We haven't had clouds in I don't know how long. So, all right. Again, I'm babbling. So, you know what? Let me flip the camera around. Y'all don't want to see me. All right, so I think this is going to be not used. This is all camouflage netting. I messaged Don and Mary this morning telling them that if they still need camouflage netting for Neil's last stop haunt, they go help him with that. Again, tombstones over here. Totally missed you guys. How's it going? How y'all been? Like, man, this heat, man, I'm telling you, this heat totally like messes these things up. I have to touch them up like almost every year. But again, I kind of like that white on there. So it's almost like some of the white, was it lichen, whatever you call it. These go on the top of the columns for the mausoleum. Mausoleum fronts over there. Mausoleum sides are over there. Don't look at that mess. Don't look. And yeah, so let me get this last column out. And we are going to Spirit. Yes. That's it. Get your hunt on.